If I had to describe my experience with the law office of Will M. Helixon, they would be advocate, friend, and support. Will was with us every step of the way. Will we have a lawyer, an attorney, for the rest of our life? My name is Audrey Byers. I am married to Army Chaplain Jason Byers. We have been married for almost 21 years. We are currently stationed in Tully, New York. Why did I hire the law office of Will M. Helixon? His motto says it all: warrior advocate. We were looking for someone that would advocate for our family in one of the worst situations that we have ever found ourselves in. That situation is sexual assault on a minor. Who was the warrior advocate that worked on our case? Will M. Helixon was our warrior advocate. How did Will communicate with us through the entire process of the court-martial? Will communicated with us more through the court-martial process than through the initial investigation. From the minute charges were preferred, we knew exactly what was going on, step by step, moment by moment. He let us know by message, email, phone call, kept us fully prepared the whole time. There were many low moments throughout the process. Will assisted. He called just to check in one day, how are you? And when you tell Will that you're in a low point in your life, Will takes it serious. He knew in that moment that while Jason may not have been suicidal, that he was low, and that being that low can lead to those thoughts. And so Will took it not just amongst himself to check on Will. He called me, he checked on our children. He wanted to know how the whole atmosphere in our home was at that moment, and really took time at that point to get to know our family and to just see how everything was going because Jason was low. How would I describe Will's professionalism in preparation for our case? Will was with us every step of the way. And it wasn't just tiny little pieces of things, it was a lot of information. Will has been prepared one step ahead of the government, but a million steps ahead of what we would have ever imagined. What was the ultimate outcome in our case was dismissal. Without prejudice, there was no board of inquiry, the flag was dismissed. How has Will's efforts affected our life? Well, we have a lawyer, an attorney, for the rest of our life. And when we refer to Will and his team, we have an advocate, a warrior advocate that we know will stand by us. Hopefully not in any situations for us, but if anything ever arises in someone else's life, they're going to know about Will. What would I tell someone who is facing similar charges? Communicate with your spouse. Stay on top of that. Listen to them. Support them. And let them know that they are not alone. Should someone contact the law office of Will M. Helixon if they are facing charges? Absolutely. Contact them yesterday. They should contact Will because he is their advocate. He is in their corner. He takes time to get to know their family. He takes time to see not just career, but from a family perspective, what could be torn apart, what could be taken away, and takes time to build that relationship to where he knows how to fight for who he's fighting for.